Aloha everybody, Scuba here. I have a very old DeskJet 2540 by HP. Just ran out of ink, so I pulled out the black cartridge over here. Sorry, this is a very messy area. So I thought I'd save some money for a couple months ago. Bought these two on eBay, and the cartridges are different. I mean, they are very, very different. So I'm going, okay, I used one up, no ink, and I put the other one in, and you know what? It's not working. It's not even registering. So I went to Office Depot, got the 61 that's meant for mine's the HP 2540. So I'm going to cut this open and put this one in there. So you notice the one on the right is the HP 61. This one's the copycat one. Look at that. Very, very different configurations, right? So let me go take the tape off, drop in the real one. Okay. Click. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's going to kick into live. So it could take a little bit, and it's going to readjust. You can hear go, oh. Okay, light stopped. It was blinking during adjusting. Now it's not blinking anymore.